Hi guys, today I will show you a simple way on how you can be able to delete multiple accounts on your laptop. First, you'll have to click on the Windows icon plus R to open this tab, and then you'll type the following command like that, and then you'll hit enter. So it will open the number of accounts that you have, and then it will give you the privilege to delete those that you don't want. So like in my case, the first one, this one is a local account, and then the second one, this one is an administrator account. So I'll have to delete this local account because I don't want it. So you'll tap on it, and then you go to remove, and you remove it, and you click yes. As simple as that. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscription button for more content tech tips like this.